Welcome back to the Pinyin Project. I'm Alex. Last week, we successfully ordered a simple Bing de Café.
And I'm Jess. Now that I'm properly caffeinated, I'm ready for the real challenge. Ordering a full meal. Maybe even some bubble tea. Alex, this seems like the final boss of survival Chinese.
You got it. Today's goal. 一杯珍珠奶茶，谢谢. A cup of boba tea, thank you. This requires mastering a lot of essential tools, especially those tricky measure words. Last week, we used 我要 for I want. It's great, but sometimes we want to sound a little softer, more tentative. For I would like or I am thinking of, we use xiǎng.
xiǎng. So, is it polite to use xiǎng when ordering?
It is. You can say 我想点, meaning, I would like to order. It's a nice alternative to the direct 我要. Let's stick with the simple forms for now, 我要 and 我想.
Okay. I have my core phrases. 我要 or 我想.
Now we tackle a truly Chinese concept, measure words. You can't just say, I want rice. You have to say, I want a bowl of rice.
Oh no. I have to count everything?
Yes. But we only need 3 main ones today. First, for drinks, like boba tea. 一杯, meaning a cup of. Second, for soup or rice. 一碗, meaning a bowl of. Third, for a general dish, side order, or a serving. 一份, meaning a portion of.
Let me try. If I want a cup of tea, I say 我要一杯茶.
Perfect. If you want a bowl of soup, you say 我要一碗汤. Measure words are essential.
All right, I've decided what I want. What is the cashier going to ask me?
They usually start with the main ordering question. 请问要点什么? This translates to what would you like to order?
请问要点 and me. Okay, that's useful.
And the second most common question, especially at quick-serve places. 要内用还是外带?
For here or to go. That sounds hard to pronounce quickly.
It is. 内用 means for here, dine in. 外带 means take out, to go. You just need to choose one word.
I'll stick to 外带 for now. If I say that, I don't have to navigate a table.
Now for the fun part, customizing your boba tea. This is where you sound like a true expert. We need to talk about sugar, táng, and ice. Bing.
Lay it on me. I need specific instructions.
Sugar levels first. Full sugar, qiǎng táng. Qiǎng means all or full. Half sugar, bǎn táng. Bǎn means half. Ice levels next. No ice, xiǎu bing. Xiǎu means to remove. Less ice, xiǎo bing. Xiǎo means less.
This is amazing. If I want a half sugar, less ice boba tea, I would say 我要一杯半糖少冰的珍珠奶茶.
Perfect. The ultimate customization sentence. Jess, final challenge. You walk up to the counter and successfully order your dream boba tea and finish with courtesy. I am the cashier. 请问要点什么?
你好，我要一杯半糖少冰的珍珠奶茶.
好的，要内用还是外带?
外带，谢谢.
好的，请问还要点别的吗? Do you want to order anything else?
不用谢谢, no need, thank you.
That was flawless, Jess. You used Yao, Bei, Ban Tong Xiaobing, Wai Dai, Xie Xie, and Buyong Liao. Mission accomplished.
I feel invincible. Listeners, make sure to review those measure words and those sugar and ice options.
Join us next time for more Pinyin projects. Everyone, zaijian. Review time, 一杯珍珠奶茶，谢谢。我要。我想。我想点。一杯。一碗。一份。我要一杯茶。我要一碗汤。请问要点什么？要内容还是外带？内容。外带。汤。饼。吃完汤。半汤。tubing. 烧饼